Hello, my friends. Are you ready to learn more letters in English? Let's sing, play, and learn together. Today, we will learn the next 3 letters: M, N, and O. Let's go. The letter M is for monkey. Say it with me. Monkey. The sound of M is Say like in monkey. Repeat, monkey. The letter N is for nest. Say it with me. Nest. The sound of N is Say like in nest. Repeat, nest. The letter O is for octopus. Say it with me. O, octopus. The short sound of O is O. Say or, like in or, octopus. Repeat, or, octopus. Great job, everyone. Let's remember, M is for monkey, sound is N is for nest, sound is O is for octopus, sound is O. Thank you, friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.